Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric and now we're going to take a city POV test drive on this 2021 Hyundai Santa Cruz Ultimate. And yeah, before we start, a quick look here at the tailgate. Of course, we have the cover in here and it's pretty easy to remove. Just put it like this and slide it forward. It's that simple. Of course, if you want to go back, just grab it, pull it, latch it, just make sure it's secure, and we're good. But let's go for a drive. Of course, hop in first. Oops. Unlock her, of course. And that's the interior here of the Santa Cruz. Let's start her up. There we go. Okay, put into reverse. Quick look at our cameras. We get, of course, our top-down view. We get the regular reverse, and then we have for our for individual wheels, also up front. We have individual wheels, and of course, the front camera, and they're all pretty good resolution. But we want to reverse, so let's pull out. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. Now let's go for a drive. In this POV test drive, well, as you can see right now, this is one of the complaints I have about this. You see how it's holding rest? Because I can upshift, like the third gear is available, but it just doesn't upshift. It's very aggressively set up so that it tries to hold gears longer than it probably should. And we just had the CVT be a little, the DCT be a little rough there. But overall, I'm still happy. Just wanna, there we go, upshift again because I don't like the noise. If you wanna hear all my thoughts though on this 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz Ultimate, make sure to click in the top right hand corner where I got a full-on review about this Santa Cruz, where we talk about the interior, the exterior, and of course a lot about how it drives and if it's worth the money that Hyundai wants for it, or if you should maybe go with a competitor. I know the Maverick is out there. So yeah, that's all in a full-on review in this POV test drive. I'm really not giving you too much of an opinion. This is more for you to just kind of get an idea of how it is to drive it out of the first person and hear how it is out of the first person. So I will just occasionally chime in, otherwise I'll just let the car do the talking. Once again, it's holding rest kind of higher than I normally would like it to. Okay. In the meantime, we can take a quick look at the infotainment and specifically at the gauge cluster layouts we have. So if we go to vehicle, cluster, select theme, we have 4 different themes. First of all, we have, let me actually turn off the indicator just so you can see it. So we have the classic theme we just used. Then we have classic B, which is more the sporty gauges, classic C, and then we have Cube, which is actually really interesting. And the cool thing about Cube is if we go over to this screen and then activate steering assist, the Santa Cruz turns into like a digital mesh, which is kind of funny. Does that in no other theme. Now, I'm just gonna switch through them a little bit probably in this drive, just so we can see them all. Now they want to go. Turn off the heated seats, heated steering wheel too, turn down the AC a little. Turn off the steering assist as well. Everyone a little tired, it seems. All the delayed reactions to green lights. You can use the sport gauges in the highway POV test drive. So then we've tested them all in various different POV test drives, because I have two other ones next to the city POV test drive. I have one at night where we test the high beams and we do a little launch, and one on the highway where we test all the driving assist features this Hyundai Santa Cruz offers. We can find them all, if I think about it, in the top right hand corner. Otherwise, probably YouTube will recommend them to you somewhere on the right hand side or after the video, or I'll just put in the link at the end of the video. One of the three options. Because we have a little sunroof up top too. Can have a car in 2021, well 2022 when this video comes out, and not have a sunroof on there in the top trim. Wanted to make sure we have enough room there with this truck swinging a little wide and potentially more trucks coming on the left. Yeah, he's not allowed to turn left right now. Well, he doesn't care. Oh, come. Yeah. And then when he can turn, he doesn't do it. Great. Phenomenal driving on display here today. Yeah, but I think we're gonna end the POV test drive right here. Yeah, like I said, we have 2 other POV test drives, and we have a full-on review with Trippy somewhere on your screen right now. Make sure to check that out. And other than that, we upload videos every single week, mostly reviews and POV test drives every single week. And yeah, we test everything from cars to compact cars, SUVs, trucks, and sports cars and luxury vehicles, whatever you want. So if you like cars, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. And other than that, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.